We're heading into the holiday weekend. Boy, it is going to be really nice here in South Florida. However, we're going to start in the tropics. We've been watching this disturbance for days, and finally it's become a tropical storm. It is Tropical Storm Bonnie, the second of the season. Right now, winds of 40, moving to the west at 20 miles an hour. The hurricane hunters flew in earlier this morning, and they did find a center of circulation. In fact, it could get a bit stronger before it makes landfall in Nicaragua or Costa Rica overnight tonight. They're certainly going to pick up heavy rains and some gusty winds with it. After that, it emerges in the Pacific. If it holds together as a tropical storm, it keeps the name Bonnie, and then it will continue to work its way towards the northwest and eventually become a Category 1 hurricane. Now, in addition to that, we're also watching another wave way back here. This one has a low chance of development. Model's not doing much with it, but they are taking this energy and then taking it up towards Hispaniola, Puerto Rico, and Cuba as we head into the next few. There's a live look outside Jupiter Inlet Lighthouse over the next several days. We're going to see some pretty decent boating with seas at about 2 to 3 feet. All is quiet right now along the coast, but we are tracking some showers, and at least we did have a little thunderstorm. This one's starting to fall apart near Okeelanta. So for now, we're dry into Belle Glade. A couple of showers into the northern part of Okeechobee County. Notice they're moving up towards the north, up towards Brevard County and into northern Indian River County as well. But out in the Atlantic, we have high pressure. That's going to nose its way into South Florida over the next couple of days. And as a result, we're going to see very little rainfall over the next few. But notice the winds. They're coming in off of the Atlantic. So during the morning hours, we could pick up a shower along the coast. And then during the afternoon hours, most of the active weather will be along the Gulf Coast. But it's going to be quite warm over the next few, right around 90 degrees, 89 today. By the 4th of July, we're at 91. When you factor in the humidity, feeling more like 100 degrees. And notice each and every day, about a 30% chance of a shower or a storm. Here's Vipercast as we head into the afternoon hours around 2 p.m. Most of the active weather is back across the lake. And then by 5, 6 p.m., those showers and storms start to dissipate, and the active weather is over towards the western side of the lake from Fort Myers up towards the Kissimmee River. And then as we approach 11 p.m., everyone is dry. But rain over the next several days, most of it will be from Fort Myers through the central part of the state, Orlando, up towards Daytona and up towards Jacksonville. Notice not much in the way of rainfall here in Southeast Florida. So if you're going boating, seas at about 2 to 3 feet. Inland waters will have a moderate chop. There are your high and your low tide times. First alert, 7-day forecast, 30% chance of a shower or storm through Monday. Daytime highs around 90 degrees.